that they said. The power window, only the important window worked, but none of the other windows worked. Y'all see? That one worked. That one worked. What up, dope people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E. If y'all seen from the thumbnail, the Honda Civic is back. If you're new to this channel, but if you're not, you see my other videos, I talked about the little Honda Civic maybe coming back, and they chose to bring it back to me because who knows her better but me. But there's nothing that I did that was wrong with this car. We're gonna take a quick look around because I got a whole lot of other stuff I gotta do today, so I can't get done to this car what I want to get done today. It have to be in another video, but we're just gonna make this a little quick video, and we're gonna show y'all what's going on with this car, and we're gonna just show everything. So let's jump on into it. So, good news is she passed the missions, and she's plated. The interior is still good. That's how many miles. Y'all see she started right up. They done put 323 miles on her since we sold her. Now she has 73,443, so everything is working. She's still sounding good. So I don't know what else. She's still looking good. She's still smelling good up in here. I know it's kind of dark in here, but y'all can see, ain't no lights on the dash down there. Radio still work. Oh, they got one of those Glade Hawaiian Breezes up in here. So no check engine light, nothing like that. Stuff still in there. They still got the little Easy's Rebuild sticker up in here that I placed, because they didn't want to put it on the back of the car. She's a trooper, y'all. She's a trooper. But let's get on to why she's back in the garage. But before we go there, seems like these cars don't last that long. Some people say I got a curse. Once I sell a car, people crash them or blow the motors up. If you're new to this channel, if you're not, go check out the update videos on the donation Monte Carlo after the guy had it for 2 weeks. So they had this car for a month, and boom, a scrapper, 89-year-old scrapper, this is a story, was bagging out of the alley and whacked the car. They're going to take it to a professional body shop, but the professional body shop wanted like $2,000, and the scrapper was an old man. He had money like that. So they said, well, we're going to bring it back to you because you know this car in and out. You did the work on this car. We want you to do it. How much it's going to cost? And I told him how much it was going to cost in parts. Don't worry about the labor. We'll talk about the labor later. And I was hoping I wasn't going to get the car back because I got plenty of other projects I need to be working on. But they gave me the keys and the money to order the parts. So this is where we at. The car. Don't know how this happened, but y'all can see that. How does somebody back up against the whole side of the car from the front to the back? And majority of the damage is in the front. So obviously that door doesn't open because it's up against the fender now. Hinges are probably bent. Savvy mirror broke. That's it. As far as the door open, it's been pushed back against this door. All the trim pieces have been buckled. So, yeah, you see that? That don't go down no more because it took a nice hit right there. I do need to save these door handles and this bottom trim piece. And we have to try to, I know I'm not really a body guy, but y'all can see the ripples in these doors. But I got a nice ripple, right, nice size dent right here. If y'all can't see that, nice size dent. I gotta try to get this pushed all back out, work it all back out, probably from the inside. I got a line right here, so try to work all that out. And I'm gonna have to repaint this whole side. But y'all probably thinking like, you can't repair those doors. I am not repairing the doors. These doors are shot. Ain't no way. Already got a new fender for it. It's over in my shed. And already got two used doors from the junkyard because this is a 1998. You ain't gonna find no brand new doors. Who wanna order some brand new doors for 1998? So, we got 2 used doors that need a little bit of TLC. There they go. Savvy mirror good. On this one. That one got some sun fade. I'm about to sand that down. But that one, the trim already green. This one, the trim is not. I can always repaint over that. There'd be no issue. But why repaint when I already got some good green ones right there? I could take off that door, slap them on that door, because still got to take these doors apart. Obviously, door cards might not be no good. Swap over the door cards and still don't know if those window actuators work in these doors. I mean, yeah, the window actuators, window regulators, and the door lock actuators even work in this door. These doors. So for me to see that, I'll have to pull these doors off, smack those doors on, and plug them in. Still got to do the work on the body, on those doors anyway. That one got a couple of dents in it. I want to fix all that. But that's got to be another video. Me not fixing the dents, but me stripping this whole side of the car. Got to take the tail light out, the headlight, the battery, and go from there. And the other issue that they had with this car before that big issue was that they said the power window, only the important window worked, but none of the other windows worked. Y'all see? That one worked. That one worked. And that one worked. All it was this switch right here. If you click this switch, none of the windows will work. Y'all see that? None of the windows will work. So you hit that switch. The only window will work is the important window, because you shut the power off to the other windows by pushing this switch. Usually you will hit that switch and nobody else can roll the window down. But if you hit the switch on the Hondas, you can't even roll the other windows down but your own window. So cut that back off and you can roll the windows up. And that's why my other neighbor told me, that's why you don't sell to neighbors, because they're going to keep coming back to you for every little thing. And I have a lot to do over here. So, like I said, I got a lot of stuff to do. Got a lot of things to do. And I'm sorry. I couldn't just jump on into this one. That's my plan was to get the fender off, the front bumper, headlight, tail light, to get this whole side stripped down, doors, get the new doors on, get the door cards off. But it's Friday for me, and I got a lot to do. I got a lot on my plate. Y'all can see over my shoulder, there go another project car, and behind that one there's another car, behind that one another car. I got cars everywhere, and people steady bring me their cars, ask me to work on their cars. Do I do window tint? Do I wrap cars? It's just rust repair. I'm like, people, Y'all know me. And I told you when I first started my channel, boost my channel up. So I can get those subscribers, so I can get monetized. So I can get me a bigger place to work with at least 4 bays, 5 bays, a big building. What? A 40 by 40 building I can work in, where I can work on my friends' cars, co-workers' cars, but not me. I only do 1 car in the garage and 1 car outside the garage, depending on what I'm doing. I only can paint inside my garage. Never tried painting outside the garage before, but I ain't gonna try that. So I only can paint inside the garage in the summer and springtime. Probably the fall with good weather. That's why we're gonna get this car done, because it gonna need paint after I get the doors on and the fender and the side body work done. It's gonna need paint. But help me by liking this video, leave a comment on this video, share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds. And you don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. We take Cash App donations. We have merch at teespring.com. We take donations of cars just like this Honda Civic was. You can go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. But most importantly, share this video so we can get monetized, people. I'm doing a lot of stuff over here. I do work a full-time job. And I guess with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!